Hello guys, welcome to my new blog. Thank you so much. You are watching my video. This is his very nice, very beautiful area. Today in little in rainfall here. This is green and so nice. Today weather is very good and very nice. Please enjoy for weather and beautiful views. I like it. Please comment. Can you like it? In so much green area. I can too much like in green area and little in good weather. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you all. My dear sister, my daughter, my brother, my son. I will make in video for here. I am very slowly in traveling. The rain for the not good. This is a village area in Pakistan. Pakistan and a village area and rain little, but not flooding, but good weather, good in the area. I green and the weather so nice. But running is a little, but and slowly for drive and traveling. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please, you can watch for full video and comment. Or do you like this area? You can like green view. Is the only on for the so beautiful area. I can like it. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you and your family. You are watching video. Thank you. Please can you like for the full video, like watching for the like and comment. Thank you so much. God bless you. Village area life in very tough but so beautiful. Good life in village area and good people, friendly people. So good. Thank you. Wow. I'm working for the agriculture and here near in the little for industry, but not too much. But all people too much working for the agriculture, make for the and thank you so much, thank you, good, like, thank you so much. Please, you can watch full video, enjoy the video. Thank you so much, thank you, God bless you. Is a start for the run, I can mute for in my voice. Thank you so much, thank you.